everybody. Welcome back
Hello.
to BritPop's React. And
Us
today
again.
we've got Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga with the song Rain on Me, which we haven't heard. So that's what we're doing it.
Maybe it should be Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande because it's from Lady Gaga's album.
Okay.
Sixth studio album, Chromatica, released in 2020. This song was written by Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande, plus others.
Yeah.
The music critics lauded the singer's vocal as well as the song's message. Okay, we'll listen out for that. It topped the charts in 13 countries and also charted within the top 10 in more than 50 territories. I probably didn't have the radio on then. It won the song won the Best Pop Duo Group Performance category at the 63rd Grammy Awards, being the first female collaboration in history to win. Okay.
Oh, wow, how have I missed that?
We missed a lot. We missed a lot, mate.
We missed a lot. Right, let's give this one a whirl. Gaga, Ariana Grande.
Indeed.
I didn't ask for a free ride. I only asked you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up. You showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me. Harder like misery. It's coming down on me. I'm ready, rain on me. Drop, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be drop, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me.
All right. Well, it's a hook.
Yes.
This track's got a hook. Rain,
Yep.
The rain, rain, rain. That's a real hook.
Mm-hmm.
I can see that it's just about to really
Bang.
up into a nice beat.
Yeah. Didn't check the weather before going out, did they?
No, and also, if I was going to go out in the rain, I'd probably take an umbrella and a coat or something. I wouldn't go,
We're more used to it over here.
Yeah, we are.
I like it. It's gonna. I hope it kicks off, but it's good.
Yeah, well, it kicks off in a nice way, not that we'll start hitting each other or anything. Yeah, great. All right. Good song, yeah.
It's making me smile. I mean, as soon as Ariana Grande comes on, I was smiling. She's just, I don't know, she just makes me feel happy when I see her. She's a bundle of joy. I'm getting Daft Punk in there. The bass line is very disco bassy, isn't it? Chic, Daft Punk.
Yeah, disco.
Niles
dance.
Rodgers. Yeah.
It certainly is. And then the what I like about the song is just the complete breakup of the song. It goes, rain on me, and then we're off. That's what I like that bit. We're into dance.
Yeah, handbags down, let's go.
Well, you can your handbag maybe.
Yeah.
Hands up to the sky. I'll be your galaxy. I'm about to fly. Rain on me, tsunami. Hands up to the sky. I'll be your galaxy. I'm about to fly. Rain on me.
That would have been massive in Ibiza, wouldn't it? In the Ibiza clubs, I think.
Yeah. Well, that is just awesome, isn't it? I mean, I really enjoyed that.
I think, I mean, again, we haven't done any Lady Gaga. She was massive, wasn't she, at one stage, sort of ruling everything. I liked her in that. Yeah, I liked her in that. And like I say, not quite a sort of rap, but a speaking part in there, which was nice. And I think they complemented each other very well. It was if I was going to get caught in the rain, if that song was on, I'd be all right about it.
Yeah, it was good. It was good, actually. I mean, I'd really... a couple of people like us bopping along to that sort of song is not what people would
Wasn't
expect.
pretty.
But, yeah, it's not a pretty sight for people watching us. But no, it was a good song. I can see why it won, such a top accolade award. And like you say, in the old club, bringing that on.
I think
in the day.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Sort of thing.
Right, in them shoes.
In them shoes, yeah. In that outfit.
I like that. I'm going 9. I'm going 9.
Yeah,
it was a
9
happy
out of 10.
song. Brilliant.
It was a good song. 9 out of 10. Rain on Me. All right, if you enjoyed our reaction today, hit the like button. Come on our journey. We've just started our Ariana journey. Maybe we can spin off to some Lady Gaga that we might not have heard at the time.
That was good.
So hit subscribe. Yeah, come with us. Let us know. Drop a comment below. Let us know what we should be listening to next. We'll only pick the ones that we haven't heard. So, we are totally genuine.
Poker Face we can't do.
We can't do Poker Face. We know Poker Face. Yeah. So, yes, look forward to that. Thanks for watching today. Much appreciated as always. Goodbye from him over there.
Goodbye from him over there. I've got to remember to ask Ariana to send that back.